Just heard an air horn. See if something's gonna get lifted up today. Oh yeah. We've got a panel going up. Just like old times at SoFi. See, I think they are gonna come over here. Yeah. I'm standing over here in the Lum Hotel parking lot, so I gotta keep my head on a swivel, make sure I don't get run over. But I lucked out, and just walking by here, I was able to catch this. It's the first time I've seen a panel in motion like this. These panels seem to be a lot lighter than all those perforated panels that SoFi had. I'm guessing these are quite lighter. And we've got clouds breaking, and then you can also see though there's a bit of a strong wind, indicated by the American flag over there. So we're about a few minutes into it here. Looks like there's a couple of cherry pick lifts here. I don't know if they're there to assist, if they're gonna grab those ropes. Wow, looks like they gotta turn it around, do a 180. Now they can approach it for its final mounting position. There you go. So I don't know the degree of difficulty with that wind blowing out from the west, up from LAX. And I changed my location, so you can see that panel is about to get secured into place. Underneath some of the Plaza area, starting to take shape. So I think these are going to be forms for seating for the outdoor basketball. There's a panel station here. See them getting the material locked on there somehow. See some of the loose material. I'm guessing that's the PTFE. First time I've ever really seen it that close before. When you look at it from afar, it looks like it's metal, but it's not. You can see this area of the panels that, see there's like a little cutout area that kind of overhangs. That's going to be for the purpose of the VIP parking lot. So it'll kind of be, the parking lot will kind of snug itself into that, kind of dovetail in. So over in this area here, we'll be seeing a future VIP lot where players and personnel can park. We're here at the south parking garage. Looks like all the panels now are installed. And this south garage now has an official address, 10117 Prairie Avenue. Also denoted by that signage, but that appears to be new. Well, here's where we're at Prairie and 102nd Street with some of the panels that are wrapped up till about this point. And across Prairie Avenue, the pedestrian walkway, you can see there's like some scaffolding coming up. And over here at the Plaza area, there's a huge structure that pretty much popped up since the last time I was here. So here you can see the gap in between panels that have been installed here from the north to the southwest. So they just have this area of diagrids that are missing panels. And I didn't see this at first, but it's kind of an Easter egg. Look at this. For Halloween, we've got some big, scary, oversized arachnid. See the sun trying to break its way through the early morning fog. That'd been a pretty cool shot back when we had the eclipse not too long ago. And we can look inside the offices. Like there are some work lights on in there, but can't see a whole lot from out here looking inside. You can see over here on the corner of Century and Prairie, they're starting to put up a wall here of metal structure, some of the metal framing. Another shot here of scaffolding going up, so that's maybe telling me they're going to put some kind of an exterior kind of barrier to kind of protect fans coming and going. So you can see that these concrete forms. I'm not sure about the renderings, but that could be where there's an outdoor basketball playground area. And then this structure over here, I know there's going to be kind of an outdoor gathering area where there'll be like a big screen where you can watch games on the big screen TVs and things like that. So, but I think over here to the left will be a future pedestrian crossing for across Century Boulevard. Solar panels on top there, which will allow Intuit Dome to be independent from the power grid for, I guess, 6 hours. So basketball games, maybe 3 hours or so. So I guess it is possible for these solar panels to charge the batteries that are on site and completely be independent of the power grid if they had that necessity. But carbon neutral footprint. Must be a nice view up there. You can see SoFi Stadium and maybe the LA skyline, downtown LA. Across the street from the Hollywood Park Casino, this is more territory owned by the Clippers. Looks like it's going to be another parking structure. That's my best guess. You can see all these panels here. So most of them are PTFE, and then a smaller portion are ETFE. So some of these panels are placed in different angles. See, some are lower, some are higher. So you got a couple here that look like they're, you know, a little more even level, while these are more on a down angle. I guess that's probably going to have to do with some of these open air walkways, maybe giving you some breezes and views and lighting. You can see, you remember there's that big huge glass wall here that's now pretty much covered up by all these panels.